Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a review video. So today I'm going to review this Cuffs and Lashes X Shy Style brushes. Now these are the makeup brushes and these are specifically the eye makeup brushes. So these brushes are in collaboration with Shy Style. She is a YouTuber herself. And I only have 4 of them. I do not get the entire set. There was a set of 9 like eye brushes, but I haven't picked that up. I just got 4 of them because I thought I just need this kind of brushes which are like a smaller blending brushes. I don't have anything like this, so I thought I will just get this. So I got individual brushes and I got 4 of them. So I will be talking about this products and also what I feel about this makeup brushes, and also have done like a demo. I've created this eye makeup look using this. It's not a tutorial, I have just used this. This is my second time actually trying out this. I have also washed them and everything, so it's like my after wash review as well. So I will talk about everything, what I feel about these brushes and everything about these brushes. So yeah, if you want to know my thoughts about this product, then please keep on watching. But before starting this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and beside the subscribe button there's a bell icon, so don't forget to hit that bell icon as well, so that you'll always get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So now let's get started with the video. So first let's talk about the packaging. So it came in this kind of a outer packaging because I got 4 of them, so maybe that's why they gave this outer packaging. This was their original Cuffs and Lashes brush cap packaging. It says Cuffs and Lashes by Nidhi Katiyar, and these are the brushes that I got. I just got 4 of them. Now I actually wanted to get the entire set, but then I thought I already have a lot of blending brushes and I don't have this kind of a small detail blending brushes, so that's the reason I got only 4 of them, the ones that I actually needed. So it comes in this kind of a black color packaging, and the grip is of a silver color, and the entire body is black, and it's actually wood, I feel. And they have written Cuffs and Lashes X Shy Style, and also the brushes card number they have written. I really like the packaging of this one. So the first brush is the CS03. Now this is a smaller blending brush. I really like this kind of a detailed blending brushes. It is great if you have like a hooded eyes, like small eyelid space, then this kind of a brushes are really nice to just blend in the shade. So for like precision blending, this kind of a brushes are really nice. So if you do like a cut crease makeup, then this kind of a brushes are really handy. And also you can use this kind of a brushes to apply shadow onto your lower lashes. So yeah, I really like this brush. I am absolutely in love. This is not very fluffy. It's a stiff yet a bit of fluffy. So I really like this brush. One of my favorite brushes actually. Then next I have the CS04. Now this is a blending brush. It's like a medium size blending brush. Not very big, not very small. It's like a perfect size, I feel. It is a stiff yet a little bit fluffy, but it is not very fluffy. So I really like this kind of brushes because it just blends in the shadow really nicely. So this is a good blending brush if you want. I don't have anything like this brush in my kit, so that's the reason I got it. Actually I don't have any of the 4 brushes in my kit, I feel. That's the reason I picked this 4 brushes. And then the next brush is the CS05. So this is a proper blending brush, the smaller blending brush. If you want to just blend in some particular color, then it is great. And if you have smaller eyelids, this brush is great for you guys. Also for hooded eyes, I have hooded eyes, and I feel this kind of brushes are really nice to just blend in the shade really nicely. Again, for cut creases, like detail blending ke liye, this brush is really nice. Then the next brush that I have is the CS07. Now this is a small like dome shaped brush, so you can use this brush to just smudge out your kajal. If you want that smudged out look, then you can use this brush to do that. And also you can use this to apply your inner corner highlight. It's great for that as well. I have used that today. So I have just applied my inner corner highlight with this brush, and it is great for that. So yeah, I really like this brush. I personally also use it for my outer corners, like outer corners shadow apply karne ke liye I use this. Yeah, I really like this 4 brushes. So yeah, you can use this in many ways. It's a really nice brushes, and the quality of these brushes are really good, you guys. These are even better than the earlier Cuffs and Lashes brushes. I have them. I will show you all like one of the brushes. This is the original Cuffs and Lashes brushes, and these are the new ones. And actually the quality of this brushes are better than this one, I feel. So yeah, it's more softer as well. Really very soft bristles. I personally love these brushes. So I have used them earlier as well and have washed them. So this is my after wash review. So yeah, these brushes do not shed as well. I have washed them, so I know that this brushes doesn't shed, which is a really good thing about these brushes. And also the quality is really good. These are super soft. The earlier brushes were also soft, but these are actually better. I feel quality wise these are more better in comparison to that. So I actually picked this up individual. So there was you can also buy like single brushes, so that's how I got this. Or else you can also pick the entire set. They come in total of 9 set. I guess that retails for like 1,000 rupees or 1,100 rupees, something of that sort. I don't remember, but I got all these brushes individually, and each brushes cost like 150 to 200. It's actually all of these brushes are under 200, and at such an affordable price, I feel it's a steal deal. So definitely grab this one, and I feel this is super affordable. Very budget friendly as well, so you can definitely go ahead and try this out. I personally will definitely recommend these brushes because I am so in love with this. These are super high quality. The bristles are super soft, and they do not shed as well, and it blends out the shadow like this. The blending is superb, you guys. It doesn't take much of time to blend in your shadow. So I personally love these brushes, and I will highly recommend you guys to try it out if you haven't tried it already. Now I got these brushes from Cuffs and Lashes itself, from their website itself, but you can also get these brushes from Amazon and Flipkart. I will provide all the links in the description box, so you can go ahead and check that out. So I have used this and shown you all as well, like the demo of this brushes. So yeah, I have created this eye makeup look using this brushes itself. So I will insert the demo so you can see how it performs as well. So yeah, now let's get started with the demo. So as you can see, I haven't done my eye makeup yet, so I'm going to use this brushes and show you all the demo how it performs. I will create an eye look. It's a very simple eye look that I'm gonna create just to show you all how the brushes perform. That's it. So yeah, now let's get started. So for eyeshadow today, I'm going to take this Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette. This is the Color Studio eyeshadow palette that I'm gonna use, and this is how it looks like from inside. So I'm going to create like a random makeup look. I don't have anything in my mind. So yeah, let's see what the look turns out to be. So I'm actually going to take this CS03 brush. It's a small blending brush, like a stiffer blending brush. So I'm going to pick this particular shade. So first I'm just going to place the shade, and also on my outer corners. And with the same brush, I'm just going to tap off the excess, and I'm just going to blend this up. So as you can see, it blends in the shade really nicely. I personally really like this brush. Next up, I'm taking the CS05. This is a small blending brush, and I'm going to pick this mustard shade, as you can see. So I'm gonna pick that, and I'm just going to blend that shade with this. So as you can see, it is blending really nicely. It's like that orange mustard shade. This is not a makeup tutorial, guys. I'm just randomly seeing how the brushes perform, and I use this. This brush is really nice. It just blended out the shade really nicely. I personally love this brush. As you can see, I used a small blending brush. This is a CS05. It's a really nice blending brush. And then I'm going to take the CS04. This is a stiffer blending brush, but it's a bigger in size, as you can see. So I'm just going to blend this out. I'm not going to take any product. I'm just going to blend this out. So if there's any harsh lines, so it will just blend in really nicely. So there will be no like harsh edges or anything. So yeah, this brush is really nice and very soft as well. Then I'm going to use this shade, and I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelid with my finger itself. I'm not going to use any brush. So I actually like to apply shimmer shades with my finger itself. That way I feel they give more coverage. And then the last brush that I'm going to use is this CS07 brush. It's a small dome shaped brush. So I'm actually going to use this brush to highlight my inner corners. So I'm just going to take this particular shade, and I'm going to use it as my inner corner highlight, and also on my brow bone. Yes, it did apply the inner corner highlight really nicely with that brush. Again, I'm going to take the CS03 brush, and I'm going to take the first shade and I'm just going to apply it on my lower lashes. So yeah, this is what the eye look looks like. I will just do the same thing on my other eye as well, and I will be right back. So that was the demo of the brushes. I personally love these brushes. These are super high quality and it blends like a dream. So yeah, you can definitely go ahead and try this out. This doesn't shed as well, as I already told you all. The brushes are really good and I will highly recommend you guys to try this out if you haven't tried it already, and all the links will be in the description box, so you can go ahead and check that out. And yeah, that's it with the video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you did like this video, then please hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and beside the subscribe button there's a bell icon, so don't forget to hit that bell icon as well, so that you'll always get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So that's it. Bye bye. See you in my next one.